With our custom-made products, we help you to make your assembly lines more efficient. Here are our questions. Do you have any problems like these with your line pallets? You want to produce a variety of models. You don't know what specifications are best for customers. You want to deliver pallets to overseas factories. You want to prevent line stoppages due to errors. Pallets are heavy. Pallets are expensive. Processing is difficult. Here is the solution to your problems. The ZENNO Uni Line Pallet. The ZENNO Uni Line Pallet can meet the demand for precision equipment lines with its highly precise design while maintaining high strength and durability. By using domestic lumber for its main components, cost reduction, lighter weight, and more durability are achieved.
ランバーコアっていうのは全て受注生産品で反りひねりのないものを取り扱っていますけれども、基準って言いますのは幅900に対して1ミリ以内のものを使っております。
In addition, the ZENNO Uni Line Pallet is optimal for a wide range of purposes because you can assemble accessories such as collector plates, outlets, and bushings, select conductive and electrostatic material, and handle heavy objects weighing over 300 kilograms on it. Other features are high pitch-to-pitch accuracy and low tolerance. Because its completely custom-made design enables any combination of dimensions and shapes, it can be flexibly adapted to the conditions of your manufacturing lines.
メンバーの一人一人が丁寧にものを作るということをモットーに、仕事に取り組んでいます。私たちの作ったパレットがお客様の生産性向上に少しでも役に立ち、安心して使っていただけるよう日々努力しています。
ZENNOのパレットというと、高品質であると。この子に我の歴史が40年の中で、高品質を作り上げるというふうに思っております。国内シェアでいうとトップメーカーということもあって、で今100社以上のお客さんに今まで提供していたんですけど、これをさらに200社300社という形で5年以内に作り上げていきたいなと思っております。で最終的にはメイドインジャパンという形でやっておるんですけど、メイドインタイランドのパレットもありますので、それを世界各国の家電のお客様に喜んで使用してもらえると。で効率的なラインができましたということで喜んでもらえるというのが我々の喜びかなと思っております。
We have been in this business for over 40 years and have delivered our products to over 100 companies. Our products have been delivered not only to domestic customers, but also to customers all over the world, including customers in China, Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, India, and Europe. We will do our best to support you, including invoice making and export packaging, until you receive our pallets. The ZENNO Uni Line Pallet makes it possible to have more efficient assembly lines.